All right, let's look at the homework 10.5, problem number 5. All right, so we have, let's see, this is a hyperbola, and we want to find the vertices and foci for this hyperbola. All right, so let's do that. All right, first thing is I want to have 1 on the right hand side, so I'm going to just divide it through by 144. All right, so we get x squared over, all right, so 144 and 16, so 9 left, so it's going to be, I'm going to write 9 as 3 squared, all right, minus y squared over, all right, 9 and 144 cancel out, you have 16, so I'm going to write it as a 4 squared, and this is equal to 1. Right. Then if you want to find the vertices, so we're looking for basically the x-intercepts, and actually it's just going to be if you look at under x, you have 3 here, so smaller x would be -3, and it's on the x-axis, so y value is 0. All right, and the larger x value will be 3, 0. Alright, so let's type it in first so that I don't forget. So you have -3, 0, and +3, 0. Alright, let's go ahead and submit for testing. Alright, I came back and we got the vertices correctly. Alright, so we want the foci, and so we have to find a c value. Right, remember that for hyperbola, c squared is equal to a squared, which is 3 squared, plus b squared, 4 squared, right, which is going to be 9 plus 16, so it's 25. So you can see that c is going to be 5, square root, take the square root. Alright, so let's see, foci is going to be, small x value would be -5, 0, and a +5, 0. Alright, so let's double check. So we got -5, 0, and a +5, 0. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and we got this one correctly. Alright, then we want to find the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Alright, so remember that it's going to be y is equal to plus or minus b over ax. Alright, but in this case, let's see, b up, so plus or minus. Alright, b value is under y, so it's 4, over a is 3, x. Alright, so we got here, actually that's not the right one. Oh, this is not the right picture. Alright, that's this one. Alright, so equation is y is equal to, right, -3 over 4 over 3 x, and then we have y is equal to negative, or actually positive, 4 over 3 x. Alright, so let's check that. Submit for testing. Alright, we got, looks like we got the asymptotes correctly. Alright, so we want to see the graphs. Alright, so first, let's see, it's a hyperbola, so it's definitely not the first one or the third one. Alright, so it's going to be either second one or the fourth one. Alright, so we know that the vertices at -3, 0 and +3, 0. Looks like second one would be is promising, but not the fourth one. So we know that this is the right picture. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and we got the graph correctly as well. Alright. That's it. I hope that this was clear.